posting many automotive videos or anything like that lately. But my channel's not all specifically about that. I also do various other things, computer repairs, car audio installs, how-to videos, other electronic repairs. I'm kind of self-taught over the years. It's like super hot in here right now. And I was just working with a soldering iron, leaning over that thing, so I'm like sweating to death here. Putting together a little project from my workplace. They were tossing out old TVs, so I took them apart, and so far I have one working one, which is that one over there. So that guy is working with the soldering iron out here. It's kind of a mess. I got all my tools and everything. Basically what happens with these, there is on the power supply board of these Samsung televisions right there, you can possibly see that burnt little diode or whatever right in there. And if I can hold it with the one hand and point it out, right down there, it's all crispy. That's what burns out on these. So in place, there's another one right exactly in that spot. Well, supposed to be. I already pulled this one out. I took one working one apart to see what the number was to make sure I had the exact same matching one. Pulled it out from this board from there and replaced it in for, oh, I guess that one down there. That one right there. So those two, they're the same. And it's supposed to be. Just putting the screws back in this thing right now. Okay. So basically, we're gonna find out how well this one worked out. I should have some rubber matting and stuff to set this kind of stuff on. So electronics and carpet is kind of a no-no as far as I ever have read into. So this is a pretty basic thing here to take this thing apart. Handful of screws. 5 around this thing. There, one there. 2 clips on either side. Pops in there. Other one. We can plug it in here. Pops in there. Messing that thing up. Yeah. So basically now we're gonna throw the backing back on the television. Actually, I'm kind of almost curious to not throw the backing on, but I have a plug nearby. Okay, maybe I do. So maybe what we're gonna do first is we're gonna stand this guy up here, lay it up against a deep freeze, like that. And we got a plug right back here. We do. There's one just behind the deep freeze. I'm just gonna borrow this TV's power wire. Okay. I don't feel like pulling the deep freeze out of the way, but since the TV's leaning up against it currently, I have that plug over there. Okay, just a second here. I'll move this TV this way for a second. Okay, that thing's strong enough to hold it. Perfect. Plug this guy in. Right there. And we're about to find out how well this works. Okay. This is the scary part, plugging this back in. It's plugged in. We have a light. And bada bing, bada boom. Look at that. Works. Cool. Not a professional or nothing. I didn't go to school for none of this stuff. Just self-taught. But sure enough, that one little diode there, I believe that's what they're called. I don't know, I get confused between capacitors and diodes and Jesus, resistors, transistors, whatever all else there is. Lots of different little names for all these various parts on here. So that seems to have worked. Television is in fact powered on and working, and before it would not power on, obviously because of that one little piece. So as opposed to replacing a $100 power supply or so, they're around $100 or so off the internet I've looked up. And it's just as easy as switching out the parts. If I took pictures of that exact like diode or whatever it's called. So I have the number reference, so I can eventually do that one and have the third one working. But holy freak! I try my best not to sweat on any of this stuff because it's like freaking melting. It's hot here right now. I have a window open and everything here. But, yeah. I said I just gotta put the backing back on this TV, and that should be all she wrote. Touch screen thing down here. There's power button somewhere around here. Right there. There. That's it. Boom. She shuts off. That's all we can ask for. It works. That's awesome. So, wow, lots of junk over there. So basically, all I gotta do is put the backing back on that one, put the base on it. I'm probably gonna, for the time being, take this base because this one's in better shape. It's not all scratched up. So now we got another decent TV for the spare bedroom. I don't even do anything with these, like sell them or nothing. I just various rooms throughout the house I use, spare bedroom, whatever. I was thinking about at some point maybe using one of these things as a computer monitor, because that'd be kind of a pretty big badass 32-inch computer monitor. And these are all 1080p compatible, so that's kind of a awesome full HD feature of these TVs too. You got the HDMIs, 2 of them on it. All the good audio outputs, even a computer thing on there, PCI cable connection, I should say, USB on it, but I only really, when I'm connecting to my computer, use the HDMI connecting cords anyways, for the most part. But yeah, and the fun part is cleaning all this mess up. And hopefully at some point repairing this board that now also requires 2 of those specific diodes. I'm pretty sure they're diodes. I don't know, these weird looking blue thingies here, little balloons, I call them, little blue balloons. So I get those ones, and I can get a third one of these working. So that's, I got 2 out of the 3 so far back up and going. The one just had a bit of a screen flickering issue. it wasn't so much that burnt out diode as it was just it seems to be something with the LCD panel is maybe going. It could be in this video panel here. It could be this thing going, because this is actually the one that the screen kind of flickers on. So I swapped this out, the good power supply that was in here. Repaired this one's power supply. That one is on hold until I find pieces, and then I can get this one up and going. And it still does work, just has, like I said, some, like the color kind of goes dim and then light, dim and then light a little bit. It's not overly noticeable, but if it's dark in the room, it's annoying. But yeah, if that's the case, I can find these things too on the internet. I think they're like, I don't know, 50 to 100 bucks as well, so that's also something that's fixable. Or just entirely use this last one for whatever pieces left on it, or usable speakers, anything display wise that is maybe still good on it. Touch panel, if that happens to go on something else. If this is still good, then I will, of course, then I can salvage that. The base I'm already taking, so snatched that for the good TV. Yeah, that's about all I got for now. I'll be posting some new stuff about the truck sometime soon. But until then, I'm going to clean up this and put that TV back together.